Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of my viewers, all the peoples in the world. So today I have received one package. So as you know, people, I am little bit doing some solar kind of stuff for my home. So and I have having some lithium ferrophosphate prismatic cells, and I am going to build a 48 volt system. So I have ordered BMS, and in previous video also I received another one BMS, but it was faulty, it's not working. So I have to order another one. So now this time I have ordered two BMS, so that if one got faulty, so other I can use. So this is my thought behind to order the two same kind of BMS. So let me unpack it and um, take it out the box from the package. The package is well packed. We have seen bubble shift also there, and this is the my friend JK BMS 80 ampere version 24S, and balance current is 0.6 amp. Previous JK BMS was balance current was 2 amp, but now this having 0.6 amp, and I think it is pretty okay for balancing the cells, because always cells going to be balanced on top balance, and my cells are already balanced. And you can see the leads are already but B minus and P minus leads are crimped, so that I can easily use. Two temperature sensing probe are connected with the BMS, and these are the balance leads. It's a well packed, well bubble zip wrapped. It's totally new. I requested to the seller to taste the BMS before send me. So they have tasted. That is the reason they have crimped the lugs with the lugs, both end of the BMS. So let me put it in the same bag, and again I will take out the other piece of box. So probably that will yes, that has to be the same thing like this, but that will also having the crimped yes, P minus and B minus. As you can see, it's also having crimped because it has been tested. That is the reason during tested they have crimped. So it is again two temperature sensing probes are attached with the BMS. It's good. Crimp quality also good. It is the same as like before, and as you can see, these balance lead are crimped because they have used these balance leads to check the BMS, is it working perfectly or not. So this is a added bonus to me, so that directly I don't have to crimp this balance lead for this BMS. Other balance leads I have to crimp, but it is okay. It's going to be handy to for me. Well creamed and well tested. They have sent me the screenshot and pictures also before sent. Anyhow, thank you guys to seeing this video and being with me. If you want to you having any queries regarding this, you can ask me, or you can be with me, subscribes my channel and give us a thumbs up, so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye. See you on next video.